Today, we are going to talk about the initiation ceremonies done by the Yao people found in Malawi. Among the Yaos, there are a lot of initiation ceremonies that are done by them. But today, we are going to look into two initiation ceremonies, Sondo and Jando. Sondo takes place before puberty in line with what other scholars report, that this rite takes place when girls are between 6 and 13 years. As for the boys, there is only one initiation ceremony, and this is Jando, where boys are circumcised. As the boys and girls are taken to initiation ceremonies, they are smeared with flour. This is done to request the spirits to guide the initiation ceremony so that it is peaceful throughout the time the boys and the girls are there at the Ndagala, or initiation camp. This study has generally demonstrated that the initiation ceremonies are still quite prevalent among the Yao, but there have been some significant changes in the way they are conducted. Initiation ceremonies among the boys are conducted by the Angaliba, while among girls it is the Anankungwi. The Angariba are the ones who perform the circumcision, but the Nakanga, the president or leader of the initiation camps, together with the Lombways who are attached to initiates as guardians and counselors, are the ones who stay with the boys until they come out of the initiation camps.
Nikupewa kutukana mpelanga nitende yetu wakutitukanira kumono wako achakulungwa ngana ajakula kundagalako akadaliwa nachebala wakuzala onaza asireje.
The manual for the Angaliba is to initiate the children, boys. After that, he goes his own way. However, there is always an appointed person called Nakanga who looks after the children. Like for the boys, he is responsible for looking after them in the forest during their time there. Explained that a Nakanga is like a parent for these children as they are being initiated, while the Angaliba and the Anakungwi have the responsibility of initiating the boys and girls respectively. Anyone who has been initiated can visit the initiation camp and provide advice to the initiates.
Mapometi maposizo kumene kuja yoyambirira alemekeza makolo echiwiri timapasa maphunziro oti kudziko kuti liyende bwino kofunika maphunziro kusukulu osajomba kholo lakufotokozani kuti kusipita kusukulu asipezeka kuti kusukulu asamajombe.
The initiation ceremonies, especially Jando for boys and Sondo for girls, last for a period of 1 month or so, but some stay for 2 months depending on the availability of food. During the ceremony, foods like meat, rice are cooked by every household, and drinks like sweet beer are always there to spice the ceremony. Before the day of the main ceremony and during the day of the ceremony, tradition dances like Beni, Dikwata, Mbiza, and many other dances provide fascination to the people. There are always public address systems full of DJs giving nothing but the best music that people can dance.
badimbane timubejenzene anaganga unjigelo mwana je mumbijira badimbane timubejenzene yakuti bangwanga yakati kantu yereyo mweteza kuambiane timubejenzene yakuti bangwanga yakati kantu yereyo mweteza kuambiane timubejenzene